Yo, I'm in. I'm in. Do. If I were earbuds. Oh, ooh. Earplugs. Oh, big dub. Big W. Big W. Big W. Big W. Stolen. 2 bright orange earbuds. It's all about protection. I gotta make some side money.
Is this like undercover boss?
Yeah. I'm bored on Saturdays. I still got like 40 hours to our race. So, I don't know. They're on to me. They're on to me. That was way too close. That was a bad deal. Yeah, we're gonna take some pictures. Stable me up right there. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Gotta get you stable, you know? First shots of the day.
How's it looking?
This is bro. I'm not tall enough. Oh gosh. He does like a 180, bro. Put a few of those on Smug Mug, make a few bucks. I mean, I was only shooting AJ and Haley. I really don't know who else to shoot, so. I mean, I probably took 7,000 photos. Half of, well, it's really bad. I should have just changed it to JPEG and left those raw out there. I have nothing to do with them. Ba-da-da, that's it, that's a wrap. Ace. Is mommy here? Oh, mommy's here.